Hi guys, today we have the awesome opportunity to review this Matcha Kit Set by 5Cure. Thank you 5Cure for sending this product over and letting me give my honest opinion about your product. Let's get started. First, I want to say this product came well packaged and nothing was damaged. This product contains 12 items: 1 mat, 1 towel, 1 bowl, 1 whisk holder, 2 stands, 1 spoon, 1 tea caddy for your personal matcha, 1 spoon for sifting, 1 sifter, and a brush. Most of the products are made out of bamboo, so they should be water resistant. Most likely, these are not dishwasher safe, so please stick to hand washing only. This is a very complete kit for making your matchas at home. Let's make one. Alright guys, you saw me make this matcha. I would totally recommend this kit for any beginner who wants to start making their matchas from home, as opposed to buying them at a shop. The whisk was I was able to get a nice foam going for the little time that I was whisking. So that was great. I also forgot to soak this. So I think if you did soak it for the amount of time that is required, I think you'd get an even better foam. This bowl didn't have any spillage on the side. I get a lot of spillage sometimes. This is from the whisk. But I get a lot of spillage sometimes from some other bowls. So it's good to not waste your matcha. This tea caddy is airtight. I don't know if you guys could see that, but airtight. It was a little hard to open in the beginning. The sifter worked very well. It's very fine, and you can see the matcha doesn't stick to it very well, so that means all of your matcha is going into your tea. I would totally recommend this product. I give it a 5 out of 5 stars. Yeah, go ahead and try it for yourselves. Cheers. Thank you.